Just received my new knee and elbow guard set for motorcycle riding from Amazon. A must-have product for all enthusiast riders. Also got a microfiber cloth as a free gift. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Time to unpack it and see the product inside. It comes in a nice package for storage. It's pretty tightly packed, as you can see. Looks pretty high quality and well built for the price. As you can see, the finishing is good, looks beautiful. There are 3 elastic velcro straps in each guard. The insides of the guards are soft and comfortable. Brushed aluminium or stainless steel type guards feels very strong and sturdy. Here is how it looks after wearing. Fitting is very nice and comfortable, as you can see. This set costs around 1000 rupees, and for that price this set is pretty nice and good quality. I will give the link of this product on the description box below. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video.